wonderful are these agapanthus? It really was touch and go for these at the beginning of the year. That hard frost really took them back, but I'm amazed the amount of heads on that agapanthus. And then on this side of the path we've got an even larger agapanthus, less blue. This is a very pale blue one. This has got 4 flower heads. I'll just step back a bit, and that's really doing well considering that hard frost. And here we have hope for the future. So this is a section of a white agapanthus that's been gifted to me by my brother. No flowers this year, but seems to be doing really well, transplanted really well, had lots of water with the rain. It's currently 6 AM on a very windy, rainy, miserable morning. So between the showers I've just dashed out just to have a check what needs extra support in the garden. Whilst I'm here, let me just show you the rose that was dead dying. Don't think it's going to survive. It's got worse. So this Japanese Acer has died. The joy.